The demand for lithium-ion batteries is currently increasing very rapidly. This is because we are transitioning from vehicles with combustion engines to electric vehicles. So it's very important that the production of lithium-ion batteries also becomes more sustainable. And at Empa, we are focusing on eliminating one of the most energy-intensive steps in the production of lithium-ion batteries. This is the drying of the electrodes, and our role in the CircuBAT project is to develop a solvent-free electrode coating process which eliminates this drying step. We are considering a number of different approaches in the project, and an important aspect of our project is the development of alternative binders. Empa is developing water-soluble, biodegradable binders and integrates them with recycled electrode materials. We are then sending these materials to one of our partners. Experts from Bühler will take over the mixing of the electrode material and the binder and the dry coating of the electrodes. At Empa, we will then characterize the microstructure of these electrodes and assess their performance in laboratory cells. Our partners Leclanché are pioneers in manufacturing of electrodes with aqueous processing. They're also very interested in dry electrode coating processes, and in our projects, Leclanché is manufacturing the larger pilot battery cells. Globally, battery cell manufacturing has to become more sustainable. By introducing a dry electrode coating process, we can save up to 40% of the energy needed to produce battery cells. We are also very interested in developing binder systems which facilitate battery disassembly and thereby promote a circular battery economy.